I'm gonna be hitting this spot up now. So, try to flip it. There. This is like my dream to become a popular YouTuber, so. Just gotta do it slow. Oh. Got him! Got him! Oh, he's big. He's big. I'm saying a 3. No, that's a 5.
No, 5. Nah, that's a 3 or 4.
That's a 4?
4 at most.
That is a 4. Don't step on that lure, watch. Yeah. I told him I'm finna flip up in that corner. Look. That is not a 3. That is bigger than my 3. This is a 4 if a 5. Give me my scale. Finna hand me it.
It don't even work.
You just gotta press it.
Where do you flip it? Hold it by that. Told you.
What is it?
3 pounds, 30 ounces.
3 pounds and 31 ounces.
Thing's huge.
Put that back.
No, I want to see this hole. I want to see this hole in the mouth.
It's huge, dude. He fought like a 4, but. Thank you for biting, little dude. Dude, that is a pretty good size one right there. I gotta go back. He tore that one up, guys. Pretty good little size one. Oh, baby. Fix my worm up again. Try to get back out there. Alright, I'm gonna flip here a couple casts, and if I don't catch anything, I'll turn this GoPro off for a little bit. Awesome. Sure tighten up my braid, that's for sure. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Are you reeling it in slow?
Kinda. Bruh. Okay, now. Alright, I will pick this camera back up.